In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snagit to record video. To get started, open TechSmith Snagit on your computer. Once Snagit is open, look for the capture button and click it. This opens the capture controls and gets everything ready for your recording session. Since Snagit can capture both images and video, make sure you choose video as the capture type before moving on. That way, Snagit knows you want to create a screen recording instead of a screenshot. Next, select the part of your screen you want to record. To do that, click and drag to define the recording area. You can record the full screen or just a specific section, depending on what you want to show. Choosing the right area helps keep your video focused and easier for viewers to follow. Before you begin recording, take a moment to check your recording options. Snagit gives you controls for microphone, system audio, and webcam. Turn the microphone on if you want to narrate while recording. Enable system audio if you need to capture sounds coming from your computer, such as app audio or notifications. If you want your face to appear in the recording, you can also turn on the webcam. If not, simply leave it off for a cleaner screen-only video. When everything looks right, click the record button. Snagit will give you a short countdown before the recording starts. Use that moment to get ready, then begin performing the actions you want to capture on screen. Try to move at a steady pace so your recording is easy to follow, especially if you're creating a tutorial or demonstration. Once you've finished recording, click the stop button on the recording toolbar. If you prefer, you can also use the default keyboard shortcut to stop the recording. After you stop, your video will open in Snagit Editor for review. In Snagit Editor, watch through your recording and make any quick adjustments you need. If there is extra time at the beginning or end, you can trim it to make the final video cleaner and more professional. This is a good final check before sharing your work. When you're happy with the result, save or export the video as an MP4 file. Snagit also offers sharing options if you want to send the recording directly from the app. And that's it. That's how to use Snagit to record video from start to finish.